Lordships, under compelling situation, I have to mention before the Lordships. Yesterday, my personal matters is going on Honorable Supreme Court. That's why I am not consented, Lordships. And my matter 183 message says disposed of, but live stream saying it is dismissed. Lordships, I applied proper application. Kindly accommodate on Monday, Lordships. My matter was.
The order has been passed. I cannot recollect what has happened. What is it?
Application for restoration.
Lordship,
No, I'm not
dismissed
including anything this week.
Lord, may I ask for your ladyship's leave to file with leave one application, my lord. I'm the widow of the headmaster.
Application.
My lord, one writ application to file with leave. But I'm the widow of the headmaster who had served for 34 years, and due to political vendetta, my PF, gratuity and pension has been withheld. Now, my lord, I have died in the meantime. I have done one RTI application and then 7-1 with the provisions of life and liberty while I was admitted in AIIMS, Delhi. I have received no reply after that. The first application was made. Thereafter also I didn't receive my pension, and not even the particular reason for which my pension was withheld. But and in the truest sense of it, the widow and the son who is a student, we are penniless now.
Please file it in the department.
My lord, may I ask you to move it in the next week any day?
File it in the department. All matters are taken up on regular basis.
I'm praying for leave, my lord, so that matter can be listed tomorrow due to the urgency, my lord. This matter pertains to, my lord, the ongoing SSC examination, my lord. This regarding, my lord, change of medium of school, my lord. The notification, the online notification which was filled up by the petitioners showed, my lord, medium of instruction was the option. My lord, it was appreciated that this medium of instruction, if English is selected, then the form and the instructions will be in English language. But later on, my lord, it appeared that they have selected the English medium schools, which are very few in number, my lord. The posts are only not even more than 10. My lord, the petitioners approached the authorities, my lord, the respondent authorities, for changing the medium, my lord, because the Bengali medium schools, they are much more in number, but they have not been entertained. They have been told to get an order from the court. That is why we have approached, my lord.
Yeah, what do you mean to say get an order from
But
the
they
court?
are not.
The court is here for
My lord,
passing orders
no,
like this.
My lord, after we appreciate the facts, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, after, my lord, I am praying, my lord, since the process of examination is going on, my lord.
Let the examination go on. You file it in the department, the matter will appear in the list and it will be taken up. And all matters are taken up on regular basis. File it in the department.
I am taking leave of your lordship to move a matter, my lord. My lord, this petitioner has appeared in the second SLST for the subject of Bengali, my lord. Now, in the provisional answer key, my lord, when the provisional answer key was published, my lord, he finds that in respect of one question, my lord, the answer option chosen by the SSC is wrong, my lord. My lord, the SSC invited objections, my lord, from the candidates, appearing candidates, my lord, saying that you file your references in support of your
Why
answer.
don't you file it in the department?
My lord, only, my lord, the verification process is going on. He did not qualify for the verification only for 1 mark, and I have annexed 4 references from very reputed Bengali grammar books, my lord, showing that my answer option is correct, my lord.
Yes.
If lordship kind of the verification is
my lord,
going,
I have my lord, I have this model answer key issues, my lord. 68 is the cutoff. 67 I've got 2 marks wrong answers. I have raised objection. Lordship recalls that first preliminary model answer key I raised objection. Final model answer key I raised objection. It was not considered. No decision has been taken, my lord. I'm losing out for 1 mark. My lord, kindly keeps it on day after tomorrow. This urgency. My lord, Saturday, Sundays are intervened.
File it in the department. All matters are coming in the
Very,
list
very,
regularly
very,
and taken up.
Matter of your lordship, my lord, where the issue has been decided by the department of the government itself, my lord, that the persons who were wrongly not given appointment in spite of order of king, their motion on seniority is to be given from the date of the passing of the order. That's the joint secretary's order is there, my lord, so far I am deprived of the same benefit. My lord, accordingly,
What you want?
my matter may be it is a motion, my lord, 1308 in the my lord, may it be upgraded so the covered by the same.
I'm not up.
My lord, may I have your
upgrading.
lordship's
Matters
kind-
will be taken up.
My lord,
Don't
may I
worry.
have your lord?
Emergency, my lord, I am making this matter to your lordship. Now, the petitioner is a teacher of the high school. He has been.
What you want?
My lord, actually, this matter was supposed to appear on 17th November before your lordship because Honorable Court had directed the state to submit a report and fix the matter to appear on 17th November. But due to change of determination, my lord, I think the matter has not appeared. My lord, if my lord can.
Give the number.
My lord, may I permit to mention? Application for transfer. His transfer application was rejected on the medical ground.
Where is the matter?
Matter is before this court, my lord, for urgent hearing.
Urgent hearing means?
Because otherwise he cannot travel because
There is a indication in the list. Transfer matters. You can pass on the numbers.
তো লিস্টে আছে
What was not there? The matter is there in the combined list.
matter is there in proper.
Check up.
Alert, may I?
No, don't give that way. If the matter is there in the combined list, then only give. Otherwise, do not give the number. Then enlistment is a different process.
May I have
Yes.
your lordship's kind leave, my lord?
Yes.
To mention one matter, your lordship, remember your lordship was hearing those SSC matter and your lordship adjourned it to get a clarification from the Honorable Supreme Court, and your lordship, there are two matters. In the first matter, your lordship recorded that unless the Supreme Court and in the second matter, my lord, although it fell from your lordship that unless the matter is being clarified by the Supreme Court, I cannot take it, my lord. It's not recorded, and when you approach the Supreme Court, my lord, here my learned advocate on record is saying if it's not recorded, so it will not be. Man, kindly see the order, man.
No, I know what the order is.
My lord, only one line, the adjourned till 28. Please, my lord, my lord, my advocate in the Supreme Court is saying that unless there is anything that the Supreme Court says nothing is there, so how, on what basis are you saying, sir?
The other matter where the order has been passed, will that not help in this matter?
My lord, both are different issues.
All right, give. To be mentioned, it will appear. You intimate your other side.
My lord, tomorrow, my lord, because
All right, tomorrow.
My lord, may I have leave to mention? I am mentioning one hearing matter upon giving
Hearing
service of
matter.
upon service of the notice. I am mentioning this matter. It is a hearing matter relating to family pension. Matter was directed to appear for your lordship, but due to change of determination, it has not come. All the affidavits have been complete exchanged.
After affidavits hearing matter, the court is not including now. You have to wait. So
My
many
lord,
motions are
it's
there.
relating to family pension, my lord.
Yes.
That's why it's
And why is the pension not being granted?
due to some technical difficulties.
Technical difficulty? What does technical difficulty mean?
They are. I applied for the.
Do one thing. It to be mentioned at the serve notice upon the other side.
I have already served. Upon
Please serve one more notice. You serve. You do not serve. It is up to you. At the time of call, your other side should be present. Yes, madam.
My lord.
Lordship, we may permit to mention for
Tomorrow to be mentioned.
correction, my lord.
Do not put any pressure on the court officer. The file will be sought for and it will appear. No, you can go. You've handed over the slip. Your purpose is over. You can go.
My lord, on order sheet, it has been wrongly taken as instead of 2025, my lord.
Correction.
Similar matters, lordship. The matter pertains to supernumerary course of the upper primary teachers, lordship. The petitioners have been qualified, but lordship, they have.
Where are the matters?
It was earlier mentioned before this honorable court, but due to lack of determination, due to change of determination, the matters went out of place, lordship. Kindly include the matters, lordship.
I am not taking up any matters for inclusion today. You have to come next week. Yes.
Lordship, may question one assigned matter, lordship. Matter was earlier appeared before your lordship, and your lordship was directed to add a party as a respondent number 7. That amendment has already completed, and we have also served notice upon the respondent number 7.
Check up assigned matter.
The petitioner is present petitioner is in maternity leave till 21st of December. So indicating the same, the school authority or the president of the board has directed the petitioner to join by 21st of November.
Sir, please file it in the department.
On transfer matter, my lord.
What is the date, my lord?
For what?
19, my lord.
For what?
For joining.
Yes.
Within the 15 days that is completed, that will be complete.
So go and join.
My lord, that is the 82 kilometers away, and the petitioner gave birth just 4 months away. 4 months previous, my lord, is her second.
Yes. So what you want? The court will direct you not to join.
No, my lord.
Then
at least I can join after 21st of December, my lord.
you request the school or whatever, you file it in the department. I'm not entertaining.
One transfer matter I filed, my lord. One transfer matter I filed, my lord, listing date at 12th November, but not in the list, my lord. Kindly include.
It will appear in the list. Don't give any slip.
Permit to mention this matter for upgradation, Lordship.
No, sorry.
Lordship, kindly allow Jasmine. Oh, Lordship, only 15
No, no.
What happens, Lordship, in this matter, Lordship? Lordship, few transfer matters are going to be taken up on Friday, Lordship. Like item number 431, 455, and 460 also. But my item number is 456, Lordship. And it is pending since 2024, Lordship. And
listen, there is already a direction that the matters will appear as and when you hand over the slips. These matters slips were handed over earlier. It has come. Next, it will be your turn. Why are you so?
I am handing over.
Please do not hand over.
Lordship.
Do not hand over. Yes. What do you want? Enlistment? Is it for enlistment? Where is the matter, sir? Yes, so now the court has changed. The file will come over here. The matter will be listed. Yes. It will come over here. No, sorry, sir. Call the list.
If I have to join within 2 days.
Please, your ladyship,
yes,
to appear on behalf of the applicant.
I have instructions to seek 3 days accommodation.
Service was affected on the last occasion, my lord.
I appear, my lord, for the alleged contempt.
Yes.
My lord, today I am indisposed. Kindly take it up on Monday, my lord. I need to, my lord, address your lordship, my lord, physically. Please take it up on Monday.
Ladyship, on the last occasion, I had indicated, first of all, my lord, it's a contempt on the face of it, my lord. There was a specific order passed.
My lord, we'll address your lordship, my lord, on that. Please take it up on Monday.
I was, my lord, beseeching your ladyship, my lord, to issue a rule, my lord.
Monday it will not be possible. Please come. Accommodation has been sought for by the learned advocate general.
My lord, kindly, my lord, in that event, my lord, grants me, my lord,
in that case, my lord, kindly
to renew my prayer, my lord, for issuance of rule on the returnable date, my lord, on the next day, my lord.
You can pray anything as and when the matter is called. 9th of December. Call the next matter.
Grateful.
At item 4, I appear for the petitioner.
এটা নয়
Here, I'm a teacher of a delegating school. But I am an unapproved teacher.
Before my letter starts, from the plenary, they moved to
Who are you appearing for?
for the school opening.
All right.
They filed this petition before the petition bench praying for interim order. The prayer for interim order was refused. They prepare an appeal. The appeal court is assessing the matter. Appeal court also not entertained for the passing interim order. Matter was directed to appear in the regular bench. Matter appeared before the regular bench. Regular bench, one of the judge was in the revision bench. That's why it was released to show matter is awaiting for the consideration by the appeal court.
By the appeal court.
May I reply to this? We prayed for a stay before this single bench regarding the regarding the proceeding of this matter, as
The moot question is whether 2018 disciplinary rules can be applicable in the de-getting school for the unapproved teacher or not. The answer is no. This single bench did not interfere because the single bench said you go to the regular bench because the proceeding was continued. We approached the division bench. The division bench said you approach the regular bench. So the issue is one which is there
Regular
before your
bench
lordship.
means the regular division bench.
Regular division bench.
All right.
Now, Justice Tapobrata Chakraborty was sitting with Justice Parthasarathi Chatterjee. It was the order of Justice Chatterjee.
All right.
So, Justice, it has been released. But the issue is same. We will not press the appeal. Kindly takes up the writ petition because in the writ petition, what we have prayed for, it's just very short prayer.
Will I record that you will not press the appeal?
Kindly record.
And you want to proceed with the writ?
Yes, absolutely. Because nothing is there in the appeal. I will not press it.
Well, the appeal appeared in the court. No prayer was made.
How can I? Justice Chatterjee is there.
Submission that he will not proceed.
That is why he will have to pray before the division bench.
I will.
If it is his appeal, he doesn't press it. Obviously, you cannot force somebody.
I am not aggrieved by the order of this.
In the meantime, the approval of my learned friend's clients was pending before the district inspector.
No. Rejected.
That was not in the writ petitions. And after filing the writ petition, we got this disapproval memo by the district inspector school. At this moment, the petition is the unapproved teacher.
No, she admits.
That I said.
She admits that she is an unapproved.
That is not a challenge before this court.
So it is an unapproved teacher.
No, she admits she is an unapproved teacher. She doesn't say.
No question of the passing an interim order at this stage. I will deal with this. Your lordship can
deal with what?
The entire allegations.
This reasoned order is not the subject matter of the writ petition.
Reasoned order, I am not saying.
Let him place his case at least.
Disciplinary proceeding of 2018 or the disciplinary proceedings will be at all applicable. That will have to the see, and I will use an affidavit. There is no scope for any interim order because the prayer for
the proceeding will continue.
Is there any scope for dismissal of the writ petition on the very first day?
I am not saying so.
No, the court can think it that way. I can dismiss it here and now. Let him place at least what he has got to say. The court doesn't know what the matter is about. Yes.
Right, it's my duty to point out before.
I got it.
But may I?
Can this matter be heard without an affidavit?
Yes, this is a point of law.
Right.
Absolutely on the point of law, whether the 2018 disciplinary rules
will apply in respect of unapproved teachers or not.
Teachers of a de-getting school.
Right.
Your lordship can ask Mrs. Koeli Bhattacharya appearing for the board that Justice Bhattacharya was there. This point was raised in another school.
Show me the order.
Yes.
The judgment that you are relying upon.
Kindly cease. Dekhiye copy karo dao.
Here the board is not a party.
No, board is not a party. Board is not a party. Kindly give me 1 minute time. আমার অর্ডার গুলো কোথায় গেল? Just a second. হ্যাঁ এটা নয় Just a second. সব তো রেখেছিলাম আলাদা করে. The first point is কোথায় রাখলে দেখি তোমার এটা দেখি নেই কি sure
not here. Come ready, please come.
Kindly make it only not today. Tomorrow.
No.
But it will not.
You pass on the citation so that the others can also come prepared. Please come. The issue to be decided in the instant writ petition is whether the disciplinary proceeding can be made applicable in respect of unapproved teachers of de-getting schools. Stop. According to the petitioner, the issue is covered by the judgment passed by this court. Stop. Let the reference of the subject case be shared with the learned advocate representing the respondents. Released on 2nd of December.
She is not getting DA.
She is not getting, but the school is a DA getting school.
But she is not getting DA.
Maybe.
She is not getting DA.
Not getting.
Unapproved.
Unapproved. She has admitted that she is
Admitted, and that's why the rule is not applicable. That is my case. The charge sheet will go.
Nothing is required. By stroke of pen, you can service can be turned over.
It is not so, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No. I strongly oppose. No. No, no. Yes, definitely you see. You see, please.
Yes, appellate side.
It has no.
Don't say whether I have to pay.
No, pay does not have to pay.
No, don't say that.
I can say. I can say.
Not only small correction, my lord. My lord, page number 2, my lord, paragraph number 5. Kindly come to my lord, the third paragraph, third line. Start from the school authority. It would be, my lord, the district inspector of school. And my lord, one paragraph has been missing. My lord, I prayed for, my lord, the page 171 to be, my lord, set aside. And that paragraph has been, my lord, not been, my lord, unfortunately, has been.
171.
Yes, my lord, decision 171. The DS decision.
Direction to key.
Yes, please come.
একই ডিসিশন সবই এটা হচ্ছে স্কুল অথরিটির জায়গায়
The matter has appeared in the list for correction of the order dated 14th November 2025.
এইটা হচ্ছে সেটা সাইড
In fourth line of paragraph 5, the words school authority shall be replaced by the phrase district inspector of schools. Which place? South 24 Parganas.
Yes, ma'am.
Secondary education, South 24 Parganas.
Subsequently it has been correct.
ঠিক আছে আচ্ছা one paragraph will be added. After paragraph 7. The paragraph, one line will be added.
Order dated 24th June.
June 2022.
Huh? Added after paragraph 7 stuff. The order dated 24th June 2022 passed by the District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, South 24 Parganas stands set aside.
Yes.
The order is corrected accordingly. Rest of the order remains unaltered.
Other portion order is intact.
My instance, my lord. Let me say digital disaster, I may say, my lord. My name is missing.
Oh, you're missing contemners?
Yes, my lord.
All right, name will be added. Dear Devan.
That's because I supplied in a printed form. That's why perhaps it has been missing.
3.
Your Lordship, item number 3 and 4, Your Lordship. Yesterday, Your Lordship, it was in the monthly list, item number 196 and 197. I am for the petitioners, Your Lordship. It is a matter of CPF to GPF, arrear pension interest, Your Lordship.
You have the copy of the brief with you?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Please read out which portion, where in the affidavit you have mentioned that it is a matter relating to CPF and GPF. Please show. It is better you come prepared. The matter will appear in the list tomorrow also. There are 2 matters.
Yes, Your Lordship.
By the same party.
Your Lordship, one is for her husband. Her husband has expired in the year 2015. He was also a headmaster of Sondeshkhali Radharani High School. And one is for the petitioner herself, who was also the assistant teacher of Sondeshkhali Radharani High School.
You show out from the averments of the writ petition that there is a single averment relating to conversion of CPF to GPF. All right. Have you taken help from anybody to prepare the brief?
Yes, Your Lordship. This was previously prepared by my senior, Your Lordship.
You check up and you let the court know where are those averments. All right. I'll make it not today.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Tomorrow's order will not be there. Got it? Yes. 3 and 4, same tomorrow.
Order 5, my lord, for the petitioner. This is the case where the widow has come before your lordship. Well, I have intimated there was a direction for filing no affidavit for a similar order, my lord. Only one paragraph has been deleted here, my lord. The article of the petitioner.
This is a to be mentioned matter.
My lord, I mentioned that this is the issue in respect of, my lord, the Mukti Mohipal. The order has been, my lord, the issue has been settled. That's why, my lord, I have mentioned before your lordship.
Who is your other side?
My lord, I have mentioned and I have served a notice.
Deceased teacher.
Relying on, my lord, the Cephali and, my lord.
Yes, yes.
The issue has been settled. That's why, my lord.
Fresh option is not required to be exercised.
No, yes,
this is the issue.
Yes, my lord. Only that.
Right.
The next matter is missed my
prima facie appears right of the widow emanates from the husband who did not opt for switching over. Your other side is not here. You served notice.
Yes, my lord. This matter, next matter, Mr. Dhol is, my lord.
No, but this matter.
This matter, no, but I have served.
Vipin Ghosh. Oh, you've served through WhatsApp?
Yes, yes. WhatsApp and also, my lord, I called him.
Where is he? Call him. To be mentioned, I'll pass orders, but then you please call him.
Yes, yes.
6, who is there?
6.
Same issue?
Same.
Mr. Dhol, have you gone through it?
But I have got an instruction.
Yes. I'll pass over.
একই order সে পাস করেছে
But there is an instruction on my part that my lord, the teacher has been given, my lord, the option of filing the opportunity switching over before his death.
And he did not avail it.
Yes.
But then in Mukti Mohipal, it has been held that if 1990 ROPA option was availed of, there is no requirement of filing fresh option. Do you know the judgment that he is relying upon?
Yes, yes, yes.
Give it to him.
Yes.
I'll pass it over. Just go through it. 2 matters are here. Go through it and come. I'm passing it over. Yes, next. 7.
9 for the petition. It's the correction, Lordship.
What is the correction?
In the first page, Lordship, paragraph number 3, the date of death is 12th April, Lordship.
Date of death is
12th April 2020.
But then I can see a copy which was handed over, and you mentioned it was 21st May 2020?
Lordship,
wrongly mentioned, possibly? Please come.
And Lordship, in the second page, Lordship, the additional interest calculated from 12th September, Lordship. I have deposited from
12th April 2020. Yes?
In the second page, on top, my refunded, I have refunded on 12th September, Lordship.
You did not make the correction. You'll hand over copies, similar orders to be passed. And then you come up. I'll dismiss matters now. It will be September.
And Lordship, paragraph 9, the DI is Bakura, Lordship.
কিছু করেনি। I'll dismiss.
Kind, this is my fault, Lordship. Kind.
Yes, your fault. So you accept the dismissal. You all rely upon similar orders, and then you do not say. তিনটে কারেকশন হচ্ছে তাহলে একটা দুটো মে না এপ্রিল বোধ হয় চেক চেক প্রি কারেকশন লিখে রাখলাম হ্যাঁ DI
I'm grateful to you.
Yes. 8.
8, no, 8.
Corrected.
My lord, 8 is, my lord, it is my mistake. That's why, my lord, Lordship has passed, my lord, page 2. Well, the last paragraph. But the pension should be started from the date of death of the father of the petitioner, not from the, because my lord, father
Is
death.
a divorcee.
Yes. But divorce is entitlement family pension. Well, if the father and mother died, father died 2020, divorce prior to that. So
Divorce is prior to
prior
that.
to that. Family pension was started after my lord, father died. This case, the father died on 1st December 2020 and divorce on 2018. So prior to death of the father, she is not entitled. It is my mistake. I, my lord,
Please.
well, I have corrected. If I not.
Paragraph 8. From the date of death of the father of the petitioner. On when, what is
Well,
the date?
1st December 2020.
1st December 2020.
Sorry, well, 7th December.
Show me the death certificate.
Yes, ma'am. Well, father's death certificate, you know. Well, page 19. 7th December.
December 2020. In place of date of থাকবে ডিক্রি অফ ডিভোর্স থেকে চলে যাবে এই শেষ পর্যন্ত. This will stand deleted and this will come in. Yes. Next.
For the petitioner, the year is wrong. Instead of 20,
Read petition number. All right.
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা তিনটে হয়ে যাবে
এটা হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ Where is the petitioner over here? Read petitioner. এখানে রুমোটা এসছে কিন্তু পার্টিস দেবে দেয় সামিম গোপা বিশ্বাস সম্প্রীতি সাহা স্বাতি দে এনিবডি বিশ্বব্রত বাসু মল্লিক বিমান হালদার রুদ্রদীপ্ত নন্দী কোয়েলি ভট্টাচার্য Vivek Dotto, Dr. Shutanu Patra, Supriya Dubey, Kanailal Samanto. Nobody over here?
Present.
Please intimate I'm passing it over. Let somebody come.
Mr. Samim has come.
All right. Mr. Shamim, are you aware of this item? Item number 10 of today's list.
No.
This is a matter.
What matter?
Shoma Roy versus State of West Bengal and others.
Shoma Roy.
I can see Ms. Bhattacharya's name over here.
Shoma Roy, it is filed from my chamber.
Your name I can see. Whose chamber?
Item number 10.
Yes, possibly this is an intervention application. It was taken up by the earlier
Yes,
single
yes,
bench.
yes.
It went up to the
Parthad before court number 17.
17, that is.
It's a Parthad matter.
Shomara is a Parthad matter before court number.
Check Corbin if it is
Yes,
Parthad.
yes, that's why I.
If it is a Parthad matter, then it should be released from the list. Check up whether it is Parthad or not. If it is,
Yes,
please
yes,
release
yes.
it.
That is what.
Parthad.
Item number. Number cost.
Give the
I
order.
think I will check.
Check.
I will check it. Before.
Today.
Just make it to.
All right.
I just checked it until and unless.
Yes. Asaba matter is your other side there?
Yes.
Mr. Ghosh, are you aware?
Yes.
Of this order?
I am not just a minute. That matter, my lord, connected to the Somarai matter, my lord. When that in the Somarai matter, my lord, one teacher is identified, he will not get appointment properly, my lord, and then court order in his own motion filed a writ petition. That writ petition is there.
So it is not Parthad.
No, it is Parthad.
It is Parthad.
Parthad and assigned.
All right, the file will be checked up. If it is so,
Because yes.
It will be released.
There are
Check
several
up.
orders. Just make it simply.
Yes, Mr. Ghosh, are you
Yes.
aware?
Lordship, on the last occasion, my Lord Justice Bhattacharya was directed to me to file the opposition. This is my
Opposition.
Yes.
All right, give opposition. But then, are you aware of the Mukti Moispal judgment? Whether that principle will cover this?
I have, but petitioner here, in this case, petitioner is not entitled. I already submit the all.
Petition is not entitled, so it cannot be done.
Bhattacharya on the same issue, Lordship, order was passed.
The petitioner
Was
is not
Mukti Moipal considered?
No, Lordship. Mukti Moil Pal not considered, but a special bench judgment and the other judgment also.
Mukti Moipal came up after the special bench judgment. And that was taken in appeal. There is an appeal court's order. Please pass it on.
I have already.
Have the copy, Lordship.
I have given my senior.
Please.
And if they want to, Lordship, they file
Affidavit
the
in
reply
opposition.
thereafter matter.
No.
If it can be disposed of, decided issue, no opposition. Affidavit in opposition filed by the District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, Bankura. In court today, it's taken on record. Learned advocate representing the petitioner relies on the judgment passed by the Honorable Division Bench in the matter of এটা দিয়ে দেবেন তো 6 নম্বরে যেটা আছে না ডিভিশন বেঞ্চ ইন এত তারিখে আচ্ছা প্রেস রিলায়েন্স অন পুরো এটা অন থেকে এটা হ্যাঁ learned advocate for the state respondents is directed to come ready with proper instruction. Released next Tuesday. Not Tuesday, Wednesday. 26. 1 week time you get, please come prepared.
Instead of 26, any date, Lordship.
25th.
24, 5th, 6th, not possible, and that's why I am telling. Or the next Monday, Lordship.
27th. 27th. Una namta niye niyo to. Next matter, Mr. Dhol.
Yes, madam.
Would you like to come back?
Madam, because they have given some
References? Come back.
Madam.
Your opposition is not ready?
No, no.
But
There is
Mr.
no
Mr. Dhol's judgment, I have reviewed. All the judgments, Mr.
Whatever.
whatever, my lord, let it be, my lord, on the same day, my lord, I will come back and submit.
Acha. List on 27th. Both parties shall come ready with proper instruction. Check up whether the division wages order in Muktamoi Pal can be applied or not. If the issue is settled, no further submission. Next, please.
Madam, for the state.
Yes.
But at item 11, my lord, I am led by Mr. Kolal Basu. He is
Yes.
appearing online. My
Millard, on the last occasion, Millard, when I intended to challenge Millard the rule 19, the sub-rule 5 of the DCRB, Millard, your lordship was of the prima facie opinion that in view of the Manikchand Sarkar's case, there is no requirement because the petitioner before your lordship, Millard, he was convicted and Millard ultimately death sentence was converted into life sentence and Millard, his withdrawal dues, admitted dues, Millard, that has not been released. Your lordship was of the prima facie opinion that it is not required to be challenged because this case has already been covered by Manik Chandra Sarkar relying on a judgment.
Check up. Has this issue been covered?
No, my lord.
No, it's a different issue?
Yes.
All right, then
Yes.
it has to be heard.
My lord.
Yes.
Please
I have, I tell your lordship that in this case, the petitioner before your lordship, that kindly sees the judgment. The judgment which your lordship this is Manik Chandra Shah's case. The petitioner is a superannuated employee of the school. He was convicted in a criminal case. Here, the petitioner here, case 30, subject to correction, my junior, Mr. Banerjee, Ms. Bhutad is there. I would request them to pray for your lordship's kind attention to page 30. My prayer at this moment, juncture, without going into the merits of the case, the admitted dues, the period which I rendered my service in the school, that has not been disputed by any government records and supported, page 67, page 81, all of the pages, subject to correction, this would demonstrate and evince my statement that these are the admitted dues, my gratuity, my provident fund. The wife and the daughter, they are basically starving, This is not a compassion or charity, this is a right. And your lordship, despite there being a fact, a person, teacher who was convicted, your lordship has no uncertain terms. Categorically, we have said in the present indication that the incident which triggered the criminal proceeding has no nexus with the service of the petitioner. Here, the domestic help was murdered, and that is why the gentleman was convicted. And it is ultimately there is no dispute with regard to the conviction of the petitioner. But the question is, that is why the 19 subject has been challenged. The admitted views without going into the further applications, without hearing the state respondents, your lordship today, in view of this, at least can pass an interim order directing the authorities to release the admitted dues, gratuity, provident fund, and the annual salaries for the particular period in the prayer I have made. There is no way the state will not be prejudiced. The other issues adjudication was upon extended regulations. It cannot be because some will work, so far as my rights are concerned. If my husband has committed a crime, if my husband has been punished, why is double punishment? We are not at fault. I question the propriety of the rule of the legislative rule because I have categorically.
Why is it different from the
Yes, my lord.
Gunamai Mahato's case?
Yes, my lord. Gunamai Mahato's case, my lord, challenging the order of conviction, they prefer an appeal. Bail was granted during the pendency of the appeal. Appeal was not decided. On that score, my lord, they have preferred the seat application. Where in terms of the clause 19.5, where judicial proceeding is pending, they are entitled for the retirement, my lord, provisional pension and gratuity and others, not the final pension. Now, in this case, he was convicted finally up to the Supreme Court.
Yes.
Even clause 19.5 is not applicable in this case. He has challenged the varies of the clause 19, rule 19.5. This rule is not also applicable in this case.
Which rule will be applicable?
That different. Kindly allow me to file an affidavit because they have a challenge the virus. Let me file an affidavit.
You say that if that rule is not applicable, then challenging virus makes no sense.
Yes,
you tell me.
TCRB rule
you
71. Kindly see the rule 45 of the DCRB rules 1981. May I read?
Yes.
That in respect of matters for which provision has not been made in this scheme,
The relevant provision of the West Bengal Service Death Cum Retirement Benefit Rules 1971 shall apply mutatis mutandi. Well, in this DCRB rules 1981, there is no provision for forfeiture of pension. There is no provision is there. So since the provision is not there, 1971 rules will be applicable. In the 1971 rules, there is a provision of forfeiture in he is
He
convicted.
doesn't want pension. He wants releasing his area salary.
Yes, my lord, area salary, if he is entitled, then he is entitled, my lord.
Yes,
Yes.
area salary. That is his prayer is not for pension.
My lord,
His area
prayer is from pension, my
the
lord.
provident fund and the leave encashment. For the period he rendered
My lord, leave
service.
encashment is not applicable in the school teachers. In the school teachers, there is no provision of leave
Alright,
encashment.
provident fund is there.
Yes, my lord.
For the period he was in service. He does not want anything beyond that.
Prayer B, my lord, kindly see. Prayer B. Forthwith release the pension and gratuity to the petitioner.
Alright, you do one thing. You take note of the admissible dues.
My lord.
So that this can be released and thereafter we'll
My
see.
lord.
Please come.
PG. My lord, with my learned seniors leave, Lordship kindly sees page 89, where is my dues, admitted dues has been calculated by the school and forwarded to the DI.
89.
Page 89. The calculation of my PF and my area salary, the calculation and the breakup has been given.
Let me file a report to that effect, my lord.
This is pursuant to the Commissioner of School Education's
Please come.
This is an admission.
The petitioner has been, the petitioner was serving as a school teacher. Stop. He has been convicted in a criminal case. Stop. The petitioner right now prays for releasing his admitted dues. Stop. Certain provision of the West Bengal recognized non-government educational institution employees bracket open death cum retirement benefit bracket close scheme 1981 has been challenged. Stop. Prayer has also been made for grant of pension and gratuity. Stop. Learned advocate representing the state respondents opposes the prayer of the petitioner. Stop. It appears that at page 89 of the writ petition, the petitioner has annexed a calculation of arrear claim of the teacher for the period he served the school. Stop. The calculation prepared by the teacher in charge was forwarded to the District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, Purva Mednipur in the month of May 2016. Stop. There is no response to the same. Stop. Learned advocate representing the state respondents is directed to revert with written instruction with regard to the claim of the petitioner forwarded through the school authority. Stop. Released 3rd of December.
The issue here in my lord is seeking my prior teaching experience, my lord. This petitioner previously worked in Kendriya Vidyalaya Garden Reach, my lord. Now, my lord, your lordship has already come up with, your lordship has already decided a similar type of issue, but is sending it back to the commission.
This was passed prior to declaration of the result. Yesterday, I have dismissed matters.
This is with regard to Kendriya Vidyalaya. But in Kendriya Vidyalaya, there is no such point of substantive post because in Kendriya Vidyalaya, there is always engagement against the substantive post. I have annexed the appointment, joining, everything. That is at page 25 to 27. Well, this is only for consideration. Well, your lordship has sent for consideration.
How long? There has to be a cut-off date within which they can consider. Otherwise, if every day one matter is passed, when will they do their work? How will the recruitment process come to an end?
Well, I believe that orders already passed in similar type of matters, my lord, has not been decided by the commission as on date. So, my lord, if this can be also been considered by the
It will be sent in the pool. And then from the pool to the
my
dustbin.
lord, in the options, my lord, in the online application form, my lord, there was no option to put.
Why did you not come earlier?
Well, that's true, but the admission of the commission is that with regard to Kendriya Vidyalaya, Navodaya, and Malviya, those schools which runs by the central government, my lord, they will award marks. This was the admission before the division bench also, my lord.
Yes, yes. It was the admission, but I don't know what will be the stand of the commission.
The commission stand is that if a continuous service is there, 1 year complete, there they are getting the number. But if it is not there, they will not get it.
How will you consider the case of the petitioner?
No, he is not entitled to. Kindly come to page 25.
25. Yes.
Kindly see period 1st April 23 to 7/12/23. There is not a 1 year.
Not even a year.
Thereafter, next page.
Now let's see 1st April 22 to 28 February 2023.
Yes, this is more than 1 year. This is how runs.
This is only allowed to ask to argue, not only argue.
Is it more than 1 year?
Yes, 1 year, 7 months.
1st April 22 to 28 February 23.
Where is 1 year, 7 months?
My lord, this is from
not even a 1 year.
Not even a year.
Not even a year.
My lord, previous page, my lord. 1st April 2022, my lord, page 26. This is the first experience certificate. Page 26.
Yes.
Then
1st April 2022 to 28th February 2023.
Not even a year.
Not
even thereafter, my continuation. My lord, in the Kendriya Vidyalaya, my lord, the contractual service runs with this, my lord. My lord, 11 months contract. And I have annexed the appointment also. My lord, kindly see page 27.
Yes.
This is purely on the contractual basis. In all Kendriya Vidyalaya and all Navodaya, my lord, always these 11 months term will be calculated, my lord.
My lord, we are, my lord, your lordships have directed us in other matters to consider. We have rejected that cases. Because fragmentation is not done.
My lord, that rejection has not come out yet, my lord. We do not know, my lord.
No, but then I am not willing.
Because in Shiksha Ghosh matter, they have awarded marks. I can show before your lordship, my lord. Pursuant to this honorable court order, in Shiksha Ghosh matter, they have awarded marks.
Lordships have passed the orders on 17 November 2025. Order has not yet been uploaded in the two petitions. Jawahar Navodaya and dismissed.
Yesterday it was passed.
17th. 17th.
The 17th is
that already it is lordship knows the
perhaps, my lord, that pertains to schools runs by state government, where TI
Navodaya
was not there.
It's Navodaya I have dismissed.
Well, may I come back
These are the
tomorrow
two
with my lord appropriate proof showing that in case of Navodaya and Kendriya Vidyalaya, they have awarded marks, my lord.
Provided the service is continuous and in a substantive
Well, in
course.
all cases, well, this is 11 months continuation. Well, I can show, my lord, kindly allow me, my lord, I can file supplementary affidavit also. Well, showing all the, my lord.
Yes, you file 1, 2, 4 and come, I'll post it next year.
No. With regard to the other candidates, my lord, who are similarly situated, who have been awarded
let them
marks.
make party. Let them make party and come.
If you take examples, then a lot of things will come. But then, since you are coming at such delayed point of time, I am not willing to pass any order.
At that point, maybe considered by them. Kindly, my lord, send it back to the commission. My lord, let them.
Why will you give this much of hope to your client when you know that the answer is a rejection?
No, certainly not. But because the rejection has not come at, my lord, in Shiksha course.
It says it's rejected.
My lord, the first order passed by this honorable High Court is that it's Shiksha course matter.
Time.
My lord, to file supplementary affidavit showing that in similar cases they have awarded marks.
If you want adjournment, I'll adjourn. Please come. Dekun to server hoyni.
No, this is two matters have not been.
Well, I have handed over. Your lordship passed in the next week. Last week, my lord, your lordship has been pleased to pass an order. I have handed over just.
Send server and we put up in the server shortly.
No problem.
Mehdi Hassan's madam, last week your lordship passed order, my lord. That's
Had you come up before the declaration of results, Navodaya would have allowed. Moment the result is declared, circumstances change. Do you get it? কি বললাম? The petitioner participated in the second SLST stuff. She is a contractual teacher in the Kendriya Vidyalaya. She seeks marks on account of prior teaching experience.
Yes.
Stop. The result of the written examination of the recruitment has already been declared. Stop. At this stage, whether the petitioner's application seeking marks on prior teaching experience can be considered or not by the commission is doubtful. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate for the petitioner seeks time to revert with further instruction. Stop. On such prayer, released on next Wednesday.
Instead of 26 minutes, can it be on 25th or 27th?
25th.
Kindly take it about
Service is taken on record.
27th, I have no difficulties. I have no difficulties.
27th.
I'm deeply honest.
Mr. This is also regarding award of marks, but by cause of action arose as soon as the result was published. What happened, my lord? Kindly comes to the notification once.
Page,
my lord. This 41.
Yes.
41 is schedule 2A to B, prior teaching experience. It says at the secondary level in government-aided or government-sponsored school, calculated on the basis of 2 marks for each year for service in substantive port as permanent or contractual basis. I had no case, my lord. Fact. I went to the commission. I said from 2010, I am working as a part-time teacher, whether I am entitled to get that particular benefit or not. Commission clearly stated, no, you are not entitled to get. I had no case. But when the result was published, my lord, I got to see some person and their numbers. Man, kindly comes to page number 54. Serial number 91. Bishwajit Barik. And my lord, page number 55. Is Manoj Kumar Jana. These two person are working in the same situation. They are part-time workers. They are vocational workers, vocational teachers at the part-time school. Like me, they have been awarded polling duty. They have been awarded to see the examination of HS. Kindly sees my credential, my lord. Kindly comes to page number 15. 15. It's a document from IOMS portal, my lord.
Yes.
I joined +2 level on 9/9/2010. Remuneration details, right-hand side, my lord. Subsequently, from next pages, my joining letters, 17. 18 is no objection certificate. Time to time, I was given different duties, my lord. Kindly comes to page number 27. I was giving election duties. And page number 30. I was also given responsibility of marks answer script
So
of
your
class 12.
allegation is that the others are given
Yes,
the
ma'am.
marks where
I had no case at that point of at the time the result was published. I saw some of my friends have been called. If 10 marks was allotted to me, I am crossing the cutoff mark. My number, my lord, page 53. I got 58. Cutoff is 68. If 10 marks was allotted, I am crossing the cutoff mark and I am entitled to be called for verification.
All right. Yes.
Firstly, these are all averments, not based on any facts.
then if he is making in certain allegations against any persons, he has to be made party.
No, no,
I'm
he
not
is
making
not
allegation.
making allegation. He is making allegation against you.
No, this is wholly incorrect.
All right.
Correct.
So
Lord,
this page
I'm com-
91, serial number 91, Vishudit
Can you
Bari.
see now? Just Lord, this is a circular.
Yes.
Lord, we call for everyone in interview on the basis of the information given in their application. Correct. If anything
Later on, you
on the at the time of verification, kindly see this. If I
not yet verified.
I don't know, verification process is going on.
This process is going on.
That's the process.
Very well. Now, this candidate who says is similarly placed doesn't get a chance to participate in the interview. But this person, maybe, if his allegation is correct,
Then if his allegations are correct, then the candidature will be cancelled of these two persons.
This is the thing.
That's Milord, your lordships can do. Milord, kindly, can I permit to say, Milord, adjourn it up to first week of December.
All right.
In the meantime, I will also check up.
All right. Please
And
come.
if it is correct, their candidature will be cancelled.
All right, please come.
Simple.
In either or case, my lord, let my learned senior friend, we come with one report, my lord, whether what happened to those persons.
Report or making a submission, that's the same
You
thing.
can make submission also,
I can
it
make
can
a
be recorded.
No, I will check up at the time of verification. If he is correct, their candidature. My lord, I can assure you, lordships, one thing, just since your lordships taking up the matter. Even before the Supreme Court, that the Vivek Parias matters sometimes may be missed because of the some informations which are not correct. But at the time of verification, if one cannot establish his certificate and etc., they will be cancelled. Anyone.
And in the meantime, my lord, if the proceeding
His candidature will be cancelled. You will not get it.
A
No
governance
negative
code.
application of Article 14.
He participated in the second SLST. Stuff. He alleges that similarly placed candidates working in working as part-time teachers in government schools have been awarded marks on account of prior teaching experience. Stuff. The petitioner submits that if the marks on account of prior teaching experience are awarded to one Bishwajit Barik, serial number 91.
English PG.
English PG, where is that?
English postgraduate.
Where is that?
91
Acha,
top.
in the subject English PG. Annexed at page 54 of the writ petition. And one Manoj Kumar Jana, chemistry PG. Annexed at page 55 of the writ petition. কি বললাম? Is allotted to them.
As a part-time teacher.
Part-time.
Right.
Then the petitioner may also be provided the same benefit. ঠিক আছে? The commission intends to revert with proper instruction released on 2nd of December.
Yes.
2nd December.
Grateful loss.
Service is taken on record. Next. 14. Yes.
এটা কোনটা? এটা কি বলছো? আমরা কি বলছি?
This incumbent, my lord, has sat for the examination and now she challenges, my lord, on two score. One, my lord, the answer key contains, my lord, the specimen number or the specific option. The petitioner alleges that is wrong. One. And second, my lord, she says,
which answer key? The preliminary or the final one?
Final, my lord, which has
final is wrong.
On 8th. So, and second, my lord,
preliminary, it was proper.
My lord,
finally, my lord, there was a finally, my lord, what happens here? I'm just coming to that, man. I'm just coming to that. But second, my lord, allegation of the petitioner is, my lord, one of the question is out of the syllabus.
The written examination took place in September.
Yes.
After declaration of result, you suddenly wake up and say that the question was out of syllabus.
My lord, one of the my lord, allegation is that, yes.
Why now?
I tell your lordship. I tell your lordship, but because I am prejudiced by this, my lord, this is, my lord, this is unequivocal. I tell your lordship, my lord, I just point out, my lord, two parts of my matter. If it is not, my lord, on the face, lordship will not kindly entertain this. My lord, I just say, my lord, that on these two score of allegation, my lord, there are, my lord, three questions which I say that the answer key contains wrong answers.
Let me understand.
Yes, yes.
Uh,
if I just can your lordship specifically, then your lordship will kindly get this one specific question.
After the examination, written examination took place, a preliminary answer key was uploaded.
Yes.
Did you see that?
Yes, my lord.
Was the answer proper at that point of time?
My lord, answer was proper. My case is not that it is not proper. I say that more than one answers are right, as has been done in other cases. So, my lord, numbers have been given to the incumbents whose, my lord, more than one answers to one particular questions are right. So, in my case, in my final, my lord, answer key in this particular question, only one answer is stated to be right, not the other. Unlike the other questions, I'll just take your lordship.
A candidate, an examinee wants all the options to be right.
My lord, I tell your lordship, this has been done by the commission.
I have seen that.
So that I tell your lordship.
So you want all the answers to be right?
No, in one particular question, not all the answers, two answers.
Which you got wrong. You want that to be right.
My lord, if I just can produce to your lordship from the books that this is the answer, why the candidate, my lord, I'm asking this question to myself, why the candidate will be suffering for giving a right answer? Well, if I just can point out to your lordship, and today, my lord, I'm not praying that just hearing my submission, lordship can increase. What I pray before your lordship that she made this representation, a specific
timeline was there within which the representation had to be made.
Well, with a specific question, the answers, even, my lord, annexing the extract of the books, my lord, that is not considered here. What I will be, if I just can, my lord, take your lordship, just can prima facie, my
your
lord.
objection,
Yes,
please.
yes. My lord, the objection direct.
Objection.
Yes.
That you filed before the commission.
That your lordship will find at my lord, my last annexure. That would be, my lord, page number 129. My lord, it is sent on 12th of November 2025.
And the result was declared on the 11th, 8th.
7th, my lord, the answer key was published on 8th.
8th.
My lord, here I have, my lord, stated specifically. If I just can take your lordship from my petition, my lord, one of the pages, one of the answer key. And I'll not trouble your lordship with the other. Only one I'll take your lordship. Yes. All right. If I, my lord, request your lordship, my lord, to see, my lord, first the booklet, which is at page number 29. My lord, this booklet, my lord, has your lordship got this, my lord? Page number 29, it is a booklet A. So, my lord, the answers, the model answers, lordship will find at page number 43. So now, my lord, I'll just take your lordship to the specific question. My lord, if I request your lordship, my lord, to see question number 20, your lordship will find this at page number, my lord, 34. So, my lord, page number 34, my lord, the question is 20. It says, which type of roller bandage is used in joints of the body? So the answers are A, spiral, B, spica, C, reverse, and D, circular. So, my lord, I just request your lordship, my lord, to see the answer, model answer, that your lordship will find at, my lord, page number 45, the relevant one. Page number 45, your lordship will see it is answer B, which is, my lord, spica.
Page number?
45, my lord.
45. Question is 20.
Yes. My lord, page number 45, lordship kindly turns, my lord, sees the in the middle, which the serial number is 58. Has your lordship got this?
Page 45.
5. At the most left, my lord, column, it is written 58.
58.
Has your lordship got this? Now, my lord, kindly sees, my lord, then B, then 20. So 20, my lord, is the question number.
All right. And this is booklet
And then,
A.
yes,
This
it
is
is booklet A.
All right. And the answer
And
is
then
B.
answer is B. Now, my lord, kindly sees, my lord, why I say that it should be something which is more than B. B is right. Apart from that, there is another answer which is right. Now, if I request your lordship to see page number 48. Alright, page number 48 is the acceptable book, my lord, by stated by them. The front page, it is the front page. Page number 49 would be the relevant page. Alright, page number 49, my lord, at the bottom. Alright, it is in serial number 2. It says spiral বা reversal spiral. প্যাঁচানো ব্যান্ডেজ অর্ধেক অর্থে উল্টো দিকে ঘোরানো হয়, এভাবেই প্রতিবার ব্যান্ডেজ ঘোরানো হয়। দেন দ্য নেক্সট পেজ, দেহের দেহের জোড়া জায়গায় হাঁটু কোন ইত্যাদির এই ব্যান্ডেজ প্রয়োজন, না হলে ব্যান্ডেজ আলগা হয়ে যাওয়ার সম্ভাবনা থাকে। সো ইট ইজ দ্য reverse spiral bandage, my lord, it is being talked about. Now, my lord, kindly turns back, my lord, to the question at page number 34. My lord, there your lordship will see A, spiral is the option which is there. Then, my lord, B, spica is there, and C, reverse is there. So, which your lordship has just seen is, my lord, the ulto spiral, reverse spiral. So, my lord, this both reverse as well as the spiral.
Both are correct.
Correct. And my lord, kindly turns over to the next another book, which is at page number 51. And also, my lord, the spica is also there in that previous book in page number 50.
Because spica, they have said it's correct.
Yes, right. Then, my lord, page number 51 sees once. So, in page number 51, the relevant page would be, my lord, page number 52, bottom. Ulto park bandage. I'm sorry, man. Page number 52, my lord, it's in serial number 3. শঙ্খ বৃত্তের ন্যায় উল্টো পাক ব্যান্ডেজ। দেন মানে টার্নস ওভার দ্য নেক্সট পেজ, ইট সেজ দ্য ফার্স্ট 3 লাইন, কবজি বা গোড়ালিতে বদ্ধ উল্টো পাক ব্যান্ডেজ ব্যবহার করা হয়। So, my lord, this I specifically, my lord, stated to them in my representation that this should be an answer which should be right as well, as you have done in other cases. I have in my writ petition, my lord, specifically provided where, my lord, they have given answers to be right in more than one options. That I have also stated. That I will not take your lordship to. And, my lord, apart from this, there are...
After declaration of the final result,
yes,
there was a timeline within which an objection was required to be filed.
My lord, I have, my lord, on 7th it was published. My lord, I have written this representation on 12th.
12th.
And, my lord, and the other 3, I'll not trouble your lordship. Another, my lord, is out of the syllabus question, which I can also prove to your lordship from this book, which has annexed in the writ petition.
All right, let me hear the commission.
And my last submission before my learned senior, my lord, says that this commission in earlier recruitment process like 12th RLST and everything has, my lord, engaged expert for the purpose of determining these allegations, which is, my lord, affirmed up to the Honorable Supreme Court.
Yes. Commission?
My lord, objection was supposed to be given after the 5 days, within 5 days after the preliminary result.
Even after the final result, there is provision for giving objection.
No, rules doesn't say so.
No, at the bottom, if there is any discrepancy, please.
Results discrepancies. Results discrepancies, not
What
the answer.
Result discrepancy.
Result is something different. Answer. Suppose there is a calculation mistake.
How will the candidate get to know where there is calculation mistake? That will know.
Revision. Now the preliminary, after the preliminary, why the preliminaries? Preliminary is for giving this. This is the answer. He has not raised this objection, including the objection. It is an out of syllabus, which he is raising now.
I understand. It could have
now,
come at
therefore,
the first stage only.
It is not entertainable. This is.
And in the earlier one, did you give any objection?
No. He has not given any objection.
That, my lord, I cannot just say, my lord, without getting it being instructed.
That is important.
He has
the
not
very
given
first
any objection.
query.
I just tell your lordship one answer. If I can reply to my learned senior here, my lord, here what happens after, my lord, the final result is published, which is on 7th. My lord, 8th, the answer keys were published. So this
Tell me whether the preliminary answer key and final answer key differs or not. Please tell me.
I'll just take that instruction and come back, my lord, the second
Because
half. Senior.
Not second half.
Because if the preliminary answer key, the answer is something else, and in the final it is something else, then it is different. But if the preliminary and the final remains the same, then you ought to have raised objection at the very first stage.
Just take
Well,
instruction.
kindly
The
take
objection
this.
is raised. I'll just take
Well,
instruction. and come
kindly
back to you.
take this circular. I have only one copy. I am handing it over to your lordships. Yes, still, my lord. This is to notify that all concerned preliminary model answer keys for the 11th subject for examinations are conducted on 7th September as are now being uploaded for viewing by the candidates in terms of Rule 11 of the West Bengal School Service Commission. So and so rules. The preliminary model answer keys for class levels 11 will be uploaded on 20th September 25. Candidates can submit their suggestions, objection of both class
Yes,
levels.
yes, I have seen this.
That's it. I mean, today it's not
Right.
late stage.
The examination was taken in September. The preliminary answer key was uploaded immediately thereafter. If you had any objection out of syllabus, should have come on the very first day. At this stage, no. Only if there is a difference between the preliminary and the final, then can it be entertained. Otherwise, the court is not willing. Did you raise any objection at that point of time? Please let the court know, because nothing is there in your averments. It ought to have been there.
I just can I just subject to my learned senior, my client and lordship's time. Can I just come back tomorrow?
Tomorrow, will it make much of a difference?
Or at 2 p.m. today, my lord.
No,
2 p.m.
Please come.
Then on Tuesday, kindly keep it.
Petitioner participated in the second SLST. She is aggrieved by the manner in which marks has been allotted in respect of questions which has more than one correct answer. Stop. The according to the recruitment rules, a preliminary model answer key was published immediately after the written examination took place. Stop. Had the candidates candidates had the option to submit suggestions/objections within a specified time period. Stop. From the averments made in the writ petition, it cannot be ascertained as to whether the petitioner submitted objection at the very first stage or not. Stop. The result for the written examination has been declared. Stop. At this stage, whether the objection of the petitioner can be entertained or not is to be decided. Stop. To allow the learned advocate for the petitioner to take further necessary instruction in the matter, released on 25th of November, next Tuesday.
Grateful, my lord. The next matter is also same. My lord, may I just request my learned senior? Yes, same. My lord, may I just request my learned senior, my lord, if I'll be, my lord, taking the instruction about whether I have just made this thing. But if it could be, my lord, available at their office as well, I'll just come back to your lordship with my instruction.
Officers will not be here. Officers have to do so much work in the office.
Do not expect.
You don't. 5 lakhs applications have been made. Now this has to be sorted out.
Or may I just find
Next one, affidavit of service to Regidin. Same order can be passed? Same order.
তারপরটা বার কর কত কোনটা কি নাম নাম কি নাম কি
কোনটা এটা? আচ্ছা,
Well, I appear. Well, this contains 10 marks also.
But now, in this stage, my lord, I indicate two things, my lord. One is that, my lord,
2 applications have been filed.
Yes, my
yes,
lord.
but I got one my application addition of,
And the other is yours for addition of party.
but I got one can application that 10 marks issue on 28, my lord. I did not open my mouth about the 10 marks on 28, my lord. Regarding, my lord, the interview list, my lord, there are some candidate
Interview list.
Yes.
All right. Some candidates.
attended.
All right.
They are in the tented list published by the
Commission.
commission. My lord, kindly turn page number 58.
Yes.
This interview list, one Nitish Ranjan Bormon,
Serial number
serial number 14.
14.
This is interview list. Now, my lord, very next page, that is tented list, serial number 958, Nitish Ranjan Bormon, in tented list.
1 minute, list of all candidates as per such. This is the list of tainted candidates.
Tented list, because this is a bulky list, so that's why, my lord,
All right.
the relevant page and in the above, my lord, there is
Where
mentioned
is his name?
paragraph, page number 958.
958.
Yes, my lord.
And is this the same person?
Yes, my lord. That's my queries, my lord.
Whether
That's
it's
why,
the same person
yes,
or
my
not.
lord. Number very next page, my lord, kindly I will make thereafter, my lord, the appropriate submission, my lord. Why, when, what, in this interregnum period, what is my prayer?
Because see, the roll number is
Yes,
different.
because of that is tented list roll number is the in pursuance of 2016 selection process, and this page number 58 in pursuance of second SLST 2025. So how could I identify?
All right.
My senior,
Yes, yes, yes.
Milord, he has given some instances, Milord, admittedly, Milord, this election process that is made to be vitiated from day one. They could not have, Milord, allowed these persons to appear, apart from other issues which are pending. And this can only be, Milord, done if, Milord, the OMR sheets with all details, particulars are published. We can then find out how many, Milord, tainted people have been allowed to participate.
Done. Published for
So these are our short submissions.
This is one candidate you found out. There are others also.
No, but I have given series from 58, then kindly turn to next page.
So you've got quite a few.
Quite a few, and many other would be definitely revealed, subject to the publication of OMR sheets giving details so that we can compare.
All right.
But we have no other means to go into the detail and compare. Whatever has come out, we have given it.
Yes, your
Yes, madam.
submission.
Kindly come to paragraph 14.
Paragraph 14.
Paragraph 14. They have given the name. First is one Nitish Ranjan Bormon, tainted, but physically handicapped. Supreme Court has protected him.
No.
Please, let me. I will. Next, Miller, Devlina Mondor. This spelling is not correct. Therefore, I can't say what is the answer. Next is Narayan Chandopal. This is physically handicapped. According to us, Supreme Court has protected. If your lordship said don't give him, we will not. Joinal Abedin spelling is not correct. These are the 4 instances have been given. 4 instances, my lord, I have taken the instruction. Now, my lord, kindly see the Supreme Court judgment.
Page.
Paragraph. No, just kindly give me one. My lord, kindly come to paragraph. Page 48. Page 40. Kindly come of the judgment. Paragraph 14. Can I similar? Lastly, we address the case of the disabled candidates. Our attention has been drawn to one such case where the impugned judgment held that the appointee, Mrs. Shoma Das, shall be allowed to continue on humanitarian grounds. While we will not interfere with the findings, we make it clear that other differently able candidates will not be entitled to same benefit as would contradict legal principles and the rule of law. However, in consideration of their disability, these candidates will be permitted to continue and will receive wages until the fresh selection process as appointees are completed. These disabled candidates mentioned in the previous paragraph will be allowed to participate in the fresh selection process if required with age relaxation and other concession. Similarly, other candidates who are not specifically sworn. Therefore, these disabled candidates will in terms of the for paragraph 48 and 49, they have been given chance. Otherwise, they will
So, 1 minute. The disabled candidates mentioned in the previous paragraph will be allowed to participate in the fresh
selection process
if required. Other candidates who are not
and other concessions.
who are not specifically tainted.
Yes. No.
Yes.
And with age relaxation and other concessions. These disabled candidates mentioned.
Other concession means you want the tainted candidates to
if
be.
he is disabled, if he is only disabled, according to our
disabled tainted candidates.
Yes.
This is the concession that you are giving.
Yes, in terms of the Supreme Court judgment, I am not giving. This is Supreme Court judgment.
What type of concession? Age relaxation.
This is Supreme Court judgment. I have nothing to do.
Age relaxation.
That Supreme Court has given it.
Yes, but not to the tainted ones.
My lord, this is includes that.
What it includes?
Includes that, my lord. However, in consideration of the disability, kindly read paragraph 48.
Yes.
These candidates will be permitted to continue and will receive wages until the fresh selection process appointed are completed.
So the tainted candidates who are there will continue till the fresh selection process. How can you permit them to participate?
Kindly next, these disabled mentioned previous will be allowed to participate in the fresh selection.
Tainted candidates.
According to our reading, this is there. That is the reason.
The next line.
If the losses hold it, I will cancel.
Specifically, candidates who are not
if your losses hold that, if your losses hold that, I will cancel. We have nothing to do. We have to carry out the orders of the court.
That means you say that you are aware that they are in the tainted list, but only because of the fact that they are physically handicapped.
That's right, exactly. I am saying so in terms of paragraph 46 and 47.
All right.
Reading of my judgment is this.
All right, I get it.
Reading of the judgment is same.
I have only one because as far as I am concerned.
Who are you? You are also physically handicapped.
No.
But so far other players is concerned, that's why he is asking for a roving inquiry. That's not permissible.
But as far as this concerns, I am not affected.
Not affected.
So I don't want to make any.
You are not physically.
Because I am an untainted. I also want it should be only for the untainted.
Yes.
Now regarding paragraph 48, I restrain to say anything because that is not. I am not supposed to say anything on that because I am not for the disabled in this case. Since there are other prayers which affects me, so that's why my application.
Other prayers means submission is that
marks. There are many prayers.
10 marks is the main issue.
They fundamental issue 10 marks.
No, that today it is not canvassed. And at the very beginning it was said that 28 whatever will happen.
Canvassing we understand only when it is canvassed.
Yes.
Prior to that we understand only from the prayer.
Repetition.
The prayer is
many.
Yes, that's the main.
I understand.
If it is restricted to the disabled.
Today the submission is only this and
when you see in the subsequent without order of the Supreme Court and Mr. Bandyopadhyay had made a very frank statement.
Yes, I am saying so.
That this is the order which was passed on the prayer of some candidates, where the counsel for the SSC can come to page 3.
Yes.
We take on record the statement made by the learned senior counsel appearing for the commission that all the appointed teachers who are entitled to appear for the selection test pursuant to the aforesaid direction of this court would be permitted to appear in both the tests, that is 19 so and so. As we have already directed that a list of tainted candidates should be placed in the public domain within a period of 7 days. It's not done.
Yes, done. It's not correct.
According to us, we also take on record the statement of the learned senior counsel appearing for the commission that none of the tainted candidates would be permitted to appear in the selection test scheduled to be held on such and such. He further states that if any tainted candidate slips through the net and manages to appear for the test, the notice dated so and so issued by the commission stating the eligibility and ineligibility of candidates would be examined in the post-examination stage would come to the aid of the commission. But this is no sleeping, this is not just by chance. This
Conscious.
is conscious. Yes. Therefore, my lord, this tainted, my lord, if they allow to appear, unless somebody comes and brings
Points
notice
it
of the
out.
court, they go through.
Right.
No, I have no. And therefore, my lord, to make it absolutely transparent, my lord, the publication of AMRs is for the benefit of all, so that we can compare, my lord, who are the tainted candidates who have slipped in or brought in.
There is enough chances to see other results, and not that again same provision, same procedure.
No, same procedure.
2016. No, yes, we know that every time some persons are there. Yes, some persons are there to disturb the everything. They are born for it. We know about that.
Yes.
Malad, so far, Malad, kindly record my submissions to this extent in view of the paragraph, the two paragraphs I have of the Supreme Court judgments. Commission considered them that they are eligible in view of paragraph 49 and 49, and they have been called for or etc. interview list. I don't know whether they will get it or not. That I don't know, but this has been done. And so for the others, that's the name is there. This is mistaking. Milord, another request I will make, Milord. If your lordships also direct them to make them party also, because they can't be affected. Milord, they can't be affected by any order passed by your lordships. They can't be affected without being before your lordships.
What about the publication of the tainted list?
Yes.
Tainted list we have published, Milord. How many times I will give this? Milord, we have a tainted list I have given in 291 to 334.
Can you see the list?
Yes.
Does it, Milord, give the
I
details of the
cannot make a list to the satisfaction of Mr. Bhattacharya's client. Yes, to this I am doing it. No, I am doing in terms of law.
Yes.
But your clients are the persons who will disturb all the times for creating disturbance.
The court is here. Please do not answer each other.
Okay, my lord.
The court is here to hear you.
291 to 324.
291 to
324.
324.
একটা লোক পাস করতে পারে না চাকরি পায় না
Please do not make these type of comments. You are a very senior member.
91 kindly.
Please don't. 291.
291 to 3.
Interview to auditor OMR.
324.
Order judgment.
324 nahi. Yes, 324.
1804. Serial number last 324.
Yes. This is only for the group 9 and 11 and 12.
What about
19,
the others?
Oh yes, 9, 10, 11, 12.
All four classes.
All four.
1804 candidates name serial number is there.
1804. Yes.
According to the investigation, and how many candidates are there in the tainted list?
More than 6,000. As per our estimation of 3 categories.
That is a group C, group D.
That's
it's a 9, 10, 11, 12.
9, 10, 11, 12?
That is enough. 9, 10, 11, 12, 1804.
1804. 1804 names
Can
have
you
been
identify
published.
anyone?
Identify?
Yes. Which category? Where from applying? This is, Milord, the deceptive way to mislead the entire people, including the court. How can I know what is this? Who is Nitish Manvi? Which category did he apply? What is his father's name? The detailed category will not help the people all and sundry to identify. But every day we are receiving the information from many corners that this tainted person have gone to. I can also show the WhatsApp, but I'm not going to do that. Why the School Service Commission would hide with the details authorities?
All right.
That's why you have made this prayer, and that's why the division bench of the High Court directed you publish the AMR.
Where is that?
Will kindly come to the order of the division bench, which was upheld by the Supreme Court.
And that time, was published. That time, was published.
My lord, kindly turn to paragraph 363, the directions given by the division bench.
That was marched with the Supreme Court.
Paragraph
363.
That OMR was disclosed.
Final directions.
11, 12.
363.
363 of which one?
This is the Justice Basak's order.
Yes, division bench judgment.
OMR sheets available if not already done, or such portion not done, must be uploaded and made available to the public for viewing.
And all these directions are upheld by the Supreme Court. What's the difficulty in for the authorities? Otherwise, these sort of litigations will continue.
Right. Please come.
My lord, can I? That was in relation to first SLST. That is
The
not.
tainted candidates is in
I am
first.
given the tainted candidate list to your lord.
No, the division bench said that you have to upload it in the website. Portions not done. You have given
Portions
the name
not
and
done.
the
Hmm.
OMR.
Hmm.
OMR. You have given the name and the roll number.
That is now.
Please say-
That is after the judgment has been delivered, after the matter challenge has been moved here. This is in respect of 2016. So 2025. This is 2025. The court said where is the list of the tainted candidates. Then we said within 7 days we will disclose the tainted candidates' names. That is the tainted candidates' names that we have been given.
You published the name. You have already published the names and their details. Father's name.
Milord, this is Milord, is a too far prayer for a petitioner, and this court should not entertain, Milord.
All right, please.
Milord, kindly see this. Next is 323. This is too far. Milord, court will not. Kindly see the from 325. I have given to your lordship. See status, category, name, roll number, everything. What is this? I have to give the home address. Am I a police officer? They will not do any homework. They will not do any homework.
320.
325. Kindly see.
What is it?
See. Serial number, roll number, name, status.
Who are they?
Why are they? Who are they? If you sit,
What is this?
if a person
What does status mean? OMR issue?
status mismatch mark, OMR, that is all mismatch. That is the OMR. This is a whole history of them. But if one litigant sleeps in his house, that doesn't mean that I have to feed him. Then yes, of course, this is not. And this court should not be turned into a court of a roving inquiry. Yes.
Sir, it's
yes. No. Tell Mr. Bhattacharya also. You are also only blaming me. You are not saying to Mr. Bhattacharya. No. You are also blaming me. Comments is from Mr. Bhattacharya. Reaction is there. You are only telling me, not Mr. Bhattacharya. I know that I am not a like person, but don't only this to me you will say.
I have only one sentence. Only one sentence.
Most likely, how can I be?
Whatever order on tainted, I am not going to be affected. But the process which is continuing, I humbly pray lordships may not stop or stay the process which they prayed. Only that.
That is not the prayer also.
Regarding the transparency for the tainted,
Yes.
I don't want to say.
That is not the prayer.
Because I am an untainted, I have nothing to say. But
only one thing may I just tell you, lordships. In regard to non-compliance of our division bench order, our division bench has said in contempt application, everybody go to the Supreme Court. I'll have a look at that paragraph 56.
Yes, it's all right. If parties are there before the Supreme Court, it's not that they are not there.
No, therefore, any non-compliance of this is the non-compliance they are urging of Justice Basak's order.
Are you there in the tainted list?
No.
No.
No, this goes on and on.
Only one.
I'm also to be without service.
Sorry, my lord, one submission. Mr. Bhattacharya's client filed an application for contempt before Justice Basak. That was dismissed. Against that order, nobody has gone to Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court no one has initiated any order. If there is a violation of the division bench order, then the contempt proceeding would be drawn up. That has not been initiated.
The matter relates to second SLST conducted by the West Bengal Central School Service Commission. Stop. The petitioners, how many are there? Petitioners? Petitioners participated in the recruitment process.
Just excuse me, Milord. Sorry, I'm very sorry. I'm sorry. Milord, I am saying it's not maintainable because they are all are
unsuccessful candidates. In the recruitment process. The result for the written examination has been declared. Stop. The petitioners have not cleared the written test. Stop. They allege that there are several candidates from the tainted list published by the commission in terms of the orders passed by this court and the Honorable Supreme Court, who have been allowed to participate in the recruitment process and whose name appears in the list of tainted candidates published by the commission. Stop. Attention of the court has been drawn to the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court, wherein there is specific direction that the candidates whose names appear in the list of tainted candidates will not be permitted to participate in the recruitment process. Stop. Prayer has been made to direct the commission to publish the tainted list in such a manner so that the identity of the candidates can be properly ascertained. Stop. It has been submitted for the for the purpose of maintaining fairness and transparency in the recruitment process, such list of tainted candidates ought to be published by the commission. The order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court on 29th August 2025 in Matt Rehana Begum and others versus State of West Bengal and others. Has been placed in court. Stop. Learned counsel representing the commission opposes the prayer of the petitioners. It has been submitted that the writ petition at the instance of unsuccessful candidates is not maintainable. Stop. The petitioners cannot seek for a roving inquiry. Stop. According to the commission, the list of tainted candidates has already been published by the commission in compliance of the direction passed by the Honorable Supreme Court. Stop. In case the petitioners alleges violation of the order passed by the court, the petitioners ought to approach the said court. Stop. Fresh writ petition at the instance of the petitioners alleging violation of any direction passed by the court will not be maintainable. Stop. Can 1 and Can 2 has been filed for addition of parties. Stop. The applicants are candidates who also participated in the second SLST. Stop. Their names do not feature in the list of tainted candidates. Stop. The applicants submit that since the recruitment process is being conducted in compliance of the direction passed by the Honorable Supreme Court, the instant proceeding may not be entertained. Stop. Upon hearing the submission made on behalf of the parties and on perusal of the materials placed before this court, it appears that এটাকে কাটুন, এর আগে একটা প্যারাগ্রাফ অ্যাড আপ করুন। It has been submitted by the commission that the candidates whose names have been mentioned in paragraph 14 of the writ petition are not impleaded as parties. Stop. Any allegation made against them behind their back may be prejudicial to them. Stop. Paragraph. It has further been submitted that those candidates whose names appear in paragraph 14 are enlisted in the physically handicapped category. Two of them. And the other two?
This is spelling mistake is there.
Those you do not know.
No. These are not tainted according to our list.
Not
These two spelling are not matching.
That two of the candidates name physically handicapped category. Stop. As per the understanding of paragraphs 48 and 49 of judgment dated 3rd April 2025 passed in SLP within brackets civil number 9586 of 2024 within brackets State of West Bengal versus Boishaki Bhattacharya within bracket Chatterjee and others, the commission permitted the candidates to participate in the recruitment process despite their names being reflected in the list of tainted candidates. Stop. As regards the other two candidates, Nitish and Narayan. All right. Spelling mistake is Debolina and...
Yeah, no. The other two candidates are physically handicapped. And
physically handicapped, which ones? Nitish
and
Narayan. Yes. Two candidates এখানে বললাম না physically handicapped, Nitish Ranjan Bormon and Narayan Chandra Pal, বানানগুলো দেখে নেবেন paragraph 14 paragraph 14 page 15. The other two candidates, these names are not properly spelt. Accordingly, the commission cannot ascertain their identity. ঠিক আছে? এবারে upon hearing the submission made on behalf of the parties and on perusal of the materials placed before this court, it appears that the Honorable Supreme Court made it clear that other differently abled candidates will not be entitled to the same benefit as given in case of one Miss Shoma Das, as it would contradict legal principles and the rule of law. Full stop. However, considering their disability, the candidates may be permitted to continue and will receive wages until the fresh selection process and appointments are completed. Page number 40 or 41. The court also held that the disabled candidates will be allowed to participate in the fresh selection process if required. If required, with age relaxation and other concessions. Full stop. Similarly, other candidates who are not specifically tainted will also be eligible to participate, with appropriate age relaxation. On 29 August 2025, the Honorable Supreme Court in Rehana Begum within brackets Supra recorded the submission of the Commission that none of the tainted candidates would be permitted to appear in the selection test. The court further recorded that it was further the court also took note of the submission of the Commission that if any tainted candidate slips through the net and manages to appear for the tests, S is within brackets, the notice dated 25th August 2025 issued by the Commission stating that eligibility/ineligibility of the candidates would be examined in the post-examination stage would come to the aid of the Commission in weeding out such tainted candidates who are ineligible in terms of the judgment passed by the court in the matter of Boishaki Bhattacharya within brackets Supra. The court records that the submission of the senior counsel of the Commission shall be binding on the Commission. The Honorable Supreme Court was pleased to grant liberty to the learned counsel for the petitioners to address letter to the learned advocate on record for the Commission if they come to know of any tainted candidate who managed to secure an admit card for the selection test so that necessary action may be taken by the Commission to prevent him/her from appearing in the test. এটা পুরো কপি আছে দেখে নেবেন In the instant case, it appears that 4 names have been disclosed in the writ petition, who, according to the petitioners, are enlisted in the tainted list published by the Commission. On a conjoint reading of the orders passed by the Honorable Supreme Court on 3rd April 2025 and 29th August 2025, it appears that the candidates, irrespective of their disability, আচ্ছা কি বললাম no, the candidates whose names appear in the tainted list, irrespective of their disability, cannot be permitted to participate in the selection test conducted by the commission. Stop. The court specifically records that other candidates not specifically tainted will be eligible to participate with appropriate age relaxation. Considering the disability, the court permitted the untainted candidates to appear in the selection test. Stop. The whether disabled or not, disabled লিখবেন না, differently abled or not,